The streets call me Nappy Hippie, representing the 043, aka the 5219, baby. Where we at? It's the Cphoce2 studios in Quickness, the Phondo Wave Cyphers. It's happening. So,
Hi.
how do you feel?
I'm so excited. I'm very excited to be here. The energy around here is so beautiful, so refreshing. And yeah, I'm just happy to be here. I'm just excited. Okay, igama lami ndinguSphoce2 wakwaBobo. Yeah, I'm a vocalist. So yeah, I'm here to just give another touch for the cipher.
The only female. Are you not intimidated?
Not at 0%. 0%. I'm not intimidated at all. I have been around men my entire career.
Okay.
It doesn't give me any goosebumps.
No, we love the fact that you're comfortable around us. That's when you an artist.
No, unless you give me a reason to.
Okay.
But other than that, I see Andy Besabi.
Okay, coming back to the Phondo Wave Cyphers, how did you actually find out about the Phondo Wave Cyphers?
Oh, okay. I saw a post on Facebook. I think it's also shared on a hip hop page of which I'm part of.
Hip-Hop Society.
Oh, society, yes. So I got there and I said, okay, let me try. So I took my chances. Bekuthiwa kufuna a vocalist payana. So I said, well, why not? So yeah, then I took my chance. I shared the post on my wall, and I asked people to vote for me, and then voila.
Olaf. I love the fact that it was different because it's as well as it's normally just verses. So I love the fact that you're bringing something different, which is was a vocalist. I'm looking forward to that.
I have been having an idea, then I scratch it, an idea, then I scratch it. So. But I know when the final time comes, I know I'll be ready.
Okay. I trust you. I can tell you're good at what you do. So, given the fact that like when we recording, for the cipher, you akwazi uyiva verse okanye recording in your artist until the actual audio is released. So, uzafuneka wenze sure about when you go into that booth, you bring your A game. Because I also was good, hey, you work, I can do better than that, blah, 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 blah. I also was analyzing until the final day. How do you feel about that?
I think the most and the very important ever competition you can ever have is with yourself. If you don't know how to compete with yourself, shame.
That's deep. You got me thinking.
It means that from any other project I've ever done, I need to compete with that. I don't think I need to compete with anyone. I think I need to bring my A game even more than whatever I was doing before I got here. So I need to give something more, something different, something that was spicy.
So, given the fact that you're here, you're in this environment, you're part of this experience, what are you willing to take from this?
Well, I think I'm gonna take a lot because I believe wonke umuntu lapha has their own way of delivering, their own way of working. So whenever I work with new producers, artists, photographers, and everything, I always try to find ndingafunda ntoni entsha endingayaziyo abayenzileyo abandisebenza nabo. Okay, how are these producers benza kanjani when they are in studio? Okay, as artists in this future, how do they sound? Was I able to match with their voices, with their vocals, with their with their writing skills? So yeah, I think I'll have to find a way to see what is done, what is it that is done here that I don't know, I've never encountered in my whole entire career. Yeah.
Given the fact that you're a vocalist, how would you describe your music?
Me as Cphoce2. Well, actually, I'm an Afro-pop artist. But I have my music journey was started hip hop. Okay. I used to be a vocalist for hip hop artists. I used to go to Cyphers. I used to go to Cyphers. Sasi yabona ngoziphucukile iCypher dizeke iCypher ephucukileyo namhlanje. But we used to go to komaphakamisa eswelicha yabo with Simbono bani like sonke pha and but even then I was the only vocal female and I was the only female vocalist. So that's why I'm saying I have been around men. It doesn't scare me unless they give me a reason to.
Hey, xelinisa lento. Hey, xelinisa. This vele ke banda se kushushu. It's a beautiful weather but iyabileka ndiyaziva lamba hey man. But sihle ekhona yakho man. Hey. Ayijoki na kwelicala la fela inqabile. Siyabulela mndase man. I hope you're going to bring your A game as well. We'll see you now. Any last words?
Well, I would like to thank everybody for this opportunity. Everybody who's involved from photographers, producers, and everyone. This is a good objective. We are born to be artists. Yeah, so I think one of the things that are cool, especially hip hop industry in Eastern Cape. This one is good for it. Yeah.
Exactly. I feel like you're touching on basically what our whole mandate is, because we're all about, like, uplifting the Eastern Cape and creating that sense of collaboration.
Especially hip hop, because we are thriving as Afro-pop and other genres, but when it comes to hip hop, there are no platforms. Okay, let me not say there are no platforms, but there are slightly no platforms for avant hip hop. So this on its own is just good, I hope it like grows bigger and bigger.
Siyabulela because nathi that's the aim. Sifuna londo, sifuna ukukhula, sifuna uphucuka, sifuna mhlambi. Hey, there's a lot I can say. Anyway, shouts to Royale Studios.
Dilapha Cphoce Studios, and what are we here to do?
Namhlanje sizorecorda my verse. I'm here to record my part on the Cypher.
How has your experience been so far with the Cphoce Studios, Phondo?
Yeah, it's I find it easy to work with you guys. It's been like kulula nje, there's no akukho bunzima okanye lanto yoba kubona xa ufika qala futhi nosebenza nabantu fumanise uba kutense wala no it's a free flow. Yeah, okay. It's a free flow.
Now we appreciate that as Cphoce Studios. So pleasure working with you.
Thank you so much.
By the time this is out, y'all have already heard flames. Never expected less.
Yeah. Yango ukenkilo sakamnandi kwalistele zangena phakathi anina yena sakhono sokungongoza ivula iminyango dipheno siba dibalelo mculo intwazana yena sakhono sokungongoza ivula iminyango dikoyintsika nasekhaya Yango ukenkilo sakamnandi kwagcwalisihlele zangena phakathi khani imbuleleni iminyango angene Yango ukenkilo sakamnandi kwagcwalisihlele zangena phakathi khani imbuleleni iminyango angene Iyaho sontela